guys, welcome back to another video where today we'll be raiding our fridge! When I was a baby, my Tita Joy bought this fridge. You can tell because it's old, and now it's old, really old. And also, my Tita, every time she goes to a country, she buys a magnet.
Wow.
Look, Singapore, Niagara Falls, also another Niagara Falls, Hong Kong, the place where I made that is your water safe for you vlog. And Florida, Mickey Mouse, wow, Pennsylvania, I don't know if that's real. Wait a minute, who are you? Country, Amsterdam, Seoul, Korea, what is this, Australia, I think, or Africa, San Francisco, Florida again, Atlantic City, Dubai, Chicago, Toronto, New York City, Singapore, Hollywood, Washington DC, where you can see the White House, Dubai, another New York City first, Macau, Texas, Arizona, Connecticut, California, New York, Ohio. So yeah, and also these pictures are from. This is from my grandmother's birthday, Lola. This is from my this is from Ranil's birthday. This is from me, Yehan, from Jollibee, Ranil. Also, this is my little cousin Nathaniel from New York.
Wow.
He looks so handsome. And finally, me turning 1 year old with Barney. Okay, so let's start with the top.
Wow.
So this is the freezer, and oh my god, Kinder Bueno. Oh my god, this is so yummy. Next we have these tender juicy hot dogs, and because of our breakfast, in case we want a heavy breakfast for every morning, and this pure food shrimp tempura in case we want a date at home. Also chicken tender juicy hot dog. Yeah, and this young pork bacon smoked. This samgyup in case you want to have a Korean date, of course. And next we have this pizza crust, because I am a pizza lover. Yes, I am. And next we have this saucy torikari,
Wow.
sweet and sour. Yeah. Also ice in case we ran out of cold water. And next we have pepperoni in case we want pepperoni pizza. City whole ham in case for breakfast, or my pizza tocino for our breakfast. And yeah, also there's this Asuka Surimi crab bar. Yes. So let's move on to the bottom. So if you look at the side, there's eggs, actually 9 eggs and one red egg.
Why are we still here? Just to suffer?
Itlog na pula, yeah. And Dane's cheese, in case sometimes for breakfast I eat ham and cheese.
Wow.
And yogurt for my little sister, and chicken broth cubes for when my mom cooks, and ham spread. I don't know why it's there, but yeah. And then we have Arla milk. We have here Japanese mayonnaise, yes. And then we have yogurts, pink yogurt. And Zarbee's, in case I cough, it's cough syrup, and mozzarella, which is for my pizza, cherries, in case my mom bakes, and Arla milk, and bunch whipped topping. And now, if you want this, you'll see Dutch milk, some cheese, and ketchup, and cream cheese. Yes, and yeah. So over here is some Korean stuff. Yes, some Korean stuff. Yeah, and Dutch meal. Bangus Spanish style sardines, homemade. Bangus. And over here we have kimchi, which I think I brought from my staycation at Tagaytay, and choco. And now if you go here, you'll see Dutch meal, Yakult, and another cheese, and ketchup. And then are 2 pitchers of cold water. And if you pull this, you'll see some apples and grapes or raisins, I think. And then this is what I drink, what we drink, what me and my little sister drinks. And over here is some Pocari sweat. Okay, yeah. And I think that's it. So now we are done with the fridge, top and bottom. So now let's move on to the pantry, the first pantry. We have 3 corners of pantries. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, so this is the second fridge, which my tita bought due to the pandemic, because we've run out from our space in the fridge. So this has a lot of frozen stuff, frozen meat, frozen poultry, frozen chicken, frozen French fries. So let's move on to the first pantry. On the top over here we have my mom's cooking supplies. Over here we have the microwave. We have two over there. That one over there and this one. And we mostly use that for baking and I don't know. So, and here on the 3rd floor, second floor, according to the bottom, we have here my mom's chips, and I also call this the mini sari store. So this is the champola, yeah, and some medicine and some isla. My next vlog will be very important because we will be using hazelnuts. The Celine, aka my editor. Yeah.
No.
And now we have here Hiko. Okay, foiling paper, no storage bags. Okay. How about final Belgian chocolate, the one I used from my Milo muffin video. You can check it out. And now over here we have Lotus. I eat this from breakfast. I eat this with monai. It's bread. Next one we have here breadcrumbs. I don't know what it's for, but I think it's for cooking. And now we have over here also more pandesal. Okay, so that's what that breadcrumbs do. And it has many from the first breadcrumbs. Now let's move on to the final floor. Oh, so we are here. So there's this Nescafe coffee and Coffee Mate, and if you look to the left, there's actually Coffee Mate and Nescafe where you can put all the mixture into your cup and pour it down onto your cup. Yeah. Now we have Milo, the stuff that I drink every day, every single day. Okay, next we have Kopiko, black in one coffee, and also we have here and Nescafe, except it's creamy white, and the Bear brand. The milk sometimes I drink for breakfast, and Kopiko Blanca. Now let's move on. So this is our second mini sari store, aka our second pantry. And over here we have Cerelac, what Felice eats, my little sister, and Beginnamin. Over here we have Enfagro milk. Over here we have Cerelac, the actual Cerelac my little sister eats for lunch, chicken and vegetables, and wheat, banana, and milk. And over here we have some nips, which we late eat on after dinner. It's the dessert. So over here we have my mom's blender, Flex, as you can see. I think it's a blender. Food processor. And over here we have their stand mixer. And now let's move on to the second floor. Over here we have our biscuits. My Lolo will be so mad. My Tatay will be mad. This is this. The Oreos. And mini Oreos or Sumo. More Hansel and Chips Delight, aka cookies.
Nani?
Yeah, cookies.
What?
Oh. So over here we have our me and my little sister's milk. And over here we have my mom's different flours. For example, APF or all-purpose flour, white sugar, even though that's not flour, and many more flours. So let's move on to the third floor. So over here we have our third microwave, a storage bin in case, and if you open it, you'll find a Quaker, what I love to eat. I think I want to eat every breakfast. What I want. Over here is some golden flax seeds. Over here is some white quinoa. Yeah. Over here we have our turbinado raw cane sugar. And over here we have my mom's cooking supplies. Actually, here's my biscuits, which my mom bought. And Quakers. And yeah. And over here we have Nescafe and Quaker also. Pancit Canton, which I eat. Sometimes I eat. So yeah, we're done with the other side. So let's move on to this side. Yeah. So over here we have let's move on to first. So over here we have my Zarbies, in case if I cough. Over here we have Datu Puti. Over here we have Simply Pure Canola Oil. We have here Patis, Datu Puti. Del Monte Filipino style tomato sauce. Over here we have Del Monte ketchup, and we have here original style tomato sauce. And there's also a difference between ketchup and tomato sauce, but I just don't know. And also bulalo and tin spaghetti. And speaking of which, sometimes we don't eat these. We don't actually eat instant noodles, or maybe instant pancit canton. We only eat this for emergencies or vacations. And over here, we have here draining tips. I don't know why, but I think that's some kind of instant noodle. So let's move on to the bottom. And over here we have quick and easy Italian pizza sauce, made with 100 real tomatoes and spices. For 8 slices of milk. Yeah, I've made Italian voice.
Wow.
Quick and easy. Don't want it. And also we have this cause for pizza.
Hey, feeling good, like I should.
And also because for pizza, because I'm a pizza lover. Also, thank you Shopee, but we don't need you. Yeah. And we have another one. So yeah. Over here we have Del Monte pineapple tidbits in extra light syrup. Vitamin C check, 7 mg, 100g. Phytonutrients, manganese, fat-free food and cholesterol-free food. Serving suggestion. And over here we have my pancakes, which I'll be using for when I eat or for vlogging. For vlogging, also on TikTok, I record video with there's a pancake effect, and it said that if that video reached 1 million likes, aka go viral, I would do that syrup. I would make that pancake.
Wow.
So yeah. Also, I'm a pancake lover and a pizza lover, and over here we have another lucky me. Okay. Instant noodles, pancit canton, but there's another twist. It's calamansi flavor. Over here we have ole, dip it good. Easy serve dips and spreads salsa. Yeah, over here is the nutrition facts, and I don't mean the salsa dance. Yeah. Over here we have UFC, not UFO. Spicier blend, hot sauce. This is definitely yeah, this is definitely not for kids because it's hot sauce. Also, you want to check out my TikTok account is Captain Uno. And over here we have Delimondo, garlic and chili corned beef. We have here Mamacita's oyster sauce. Original heirloom recipe. Oyster sauce. Made from select Philippine oysters. Now we have here pure oil. We have here pure oil. We have here gravy. We have gravy, UFC, and yeah. Also we have here Berocca, vitamins for adults. Kikoman soy sauce. You have actually 2 of them. And for some reason, Lego sardines and cow. Sauce of liver. Have here cowbell condensada. Wait, what's this? I don't know what this is. Oh, also we have here century tuna. You cannot see it, but there's actually century tuna and way more canned goods than you would expect there would be. And oh, also, I forgot, Mang Tomas, all around sauce. So, let's move on to the third pantry, not a mini sari store. So, let's open it. So we have here century tuna, which we eat for breakfast. The Vienna sausage, which we normally eat for breakfast, and corned beef. Yeah, corned beef. Now, Lego. I don't mean the Lego that you take a bath in. I mean the canned goods Lego. Sardines in tomato sauce in case of emergencies. So over here at the top we have here sugar-free syrup. That is children's Matrin, which my tita Felinang gave to me from New York. Shout out to her. We have here Alaska sweetened condensed filled milk, Alaska evaporated creamer. We have here Maggi Savor Calamansi liquid seasoning. And over here we have some noodles, also I think also for emergencies, but mostly for merienda. We have here lapas batchoy and bulalo. I'm trying to make a cool voice, so yeah. And over here we have mustard for burgers. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy me rating my refrigerator and pantry, refrigerator and freezer. And I hope you guys enjoy watching this video, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video or vlog. So I'll be seeing you on my next vlog. Good.